Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add alert on TradingView. So if you also want to add alert on TradingView, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.tradingview.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of TradingView. Make sure you're logged into your account. Alerts can be created on data series, indicator plots, strategy orders and drawing objects. Alerts on data series are independent of the time intervals, while alerts for studies, strategies and drawings do depend on the interval because it's taken into account when calculating indicators. So at right you can see several icons over here. At second you'll be able to see the icon for alerts. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see all the alerts. So if you also want to set up the alerts for indicators, first of all you'll have to select the indicator. At first you can see this kind of icon over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several indicators. Scroll down to see more options. Now click on the indicator of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. You can see the whole chart over here. Over here you'll be able to see the option for full chart. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here full chart will be opened. If you look at top you can see several options over here. Here you can also find the option for alert. All you have to do is click on it. Or you can also press Alt plus A on your keyboard and this kind of pop-up will appear. Now here you'll have to fill in this information. You can see the symbol over here. You can see the condition. You can change the condition if you want. You can create the alert according to the price or volume. You can also choose the value over here. Simply click on this box. Now enter the value. Now whenever this value will be crossed, you'll receive an alert. Scroll down. You can also see several options over here. You can see the option for trigger only once per bar, once per bar close, once per minute. Select the option of your choice. You can also select the expiration date. All you have to do is click on this option. Now select the expiration date of your choice. You can also give your alert a name. Simply click on this box right over here. Now enter the name. You can also enter the message. A default message will already be written for you. If you want to add something, you can definitely go ahead. Now here you'll be able to see the option for create. All you have to do is click on it. Now that alert is created. Now look at right, you can see several icons over here. Again, go to the alert icon. Now here you can see the alert has been created. So that is how you add alert on TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.